of the question I get a lot of time on this channel is, what if I register directly from PoppoLive instead of joining under an agency or an agent? Is there disadvantages? Will I still make money if I register under an agency? Do I really need an agency on this PoppoLive? So that is why in this video today, I'm going to explain the real difference between joining PoppoLive directly and joining through an agency or a referral link. Because honestly, there's a lot of misconception about this topic. So first of all, yes, you can absolutely register directly on PoppoLive by yourself. Nobody's stopping you. You can download the app, you can create an account, and even start live streaming immediately. But you have to also note that there are differences between you registering directly under an agency or using somebody's referral link or joining an agent, right? When you register directly, you are mostly on your own, right? You are going to be learning alone. You are going to start learning to understand the platform alone. You'll be solving your problems alone. Most of the times when you encounter one or two things, if you reach out to Poppo will ask you, go through your agent, right? While when you register through an agency, you get guidance, you get training, you get support, you get mentorship, you get help in understanding what are the platform rules and regulations, what are the strategies to growth, most especially if you get a good agent. And most of the times, many beginners don't fully understand this platform. They don't understand how live streaming works. And that used to cause a lot of beginners to have slow support, slow growth. Sometimes I see people that have been on this app for a year, 6 months, or even 2 years, and they give up. So later on, when they find my video, they'll come back like, I struggle so much, I gave up on this app. And the reason is because the person that brought me to the app did not explain to me, or I was told by my friend that she joined an agency and she suffered. So I decided to be on my own. So a lot of beginners that do not join agency, they take longer time to understand how it works. The second mistake is some people violate the platform rules without knowing it because they have nobody that is guiding them. You see that I see under the comment section of my video, or sometimes on my panel, I see people joining and telling me, please, how can you help me? My account is banned. I'll say, reach out to your agent. Are you an agent or you are a host? They'll say, I'm a host. I say, reach out to your agent. They'll say, I don't have agency. You see where the disadvantage is. And another thing is you will not have community. Like me now, I have a Telegram group for over 3,000, which I have to stop commenting, and now I've opened a Telegram channel, as well as you can reach out to me directly on WhatsApp. Currently, in the description of this video and in the comment section, you'll see the link to join either of them. And if you join, you'll see that I pin a message that you can follow step by step from signing up. If you want to become an agent, you want to learn how to earn and all that. And in the description of this video also, I drop link to a complete playlist of over 100 videos that I've done about all this live streaming platform. So a good agency can sometimes provide motivation. A good agency can provide teamwork and accountability. I see a lot of people joining. Sometimes if I have time and I'm discussing, I motivate a lot of people on my panel. People ask questions and it doesn't matter either you are in my agency or not, right? And at this point, I want to be very, very honest with you, because joining an agency does not automatically guarantee success. Sometimes some agency can be so helpful, while others are so inactive that you regret why you joined them. Some people also succeed independently because they are disciplined and they are willing to learn on their own. I've seen a lot of people that refuse to join any agency and they binge watch all my videos. They learn a lot and they come from time to time to give me to explain themselves. So if you are a self-learner, good and fine. You can decide not to join any agency, but just know that if you run into any problem, you are on your own. Another thing again is that many people don't understand this, that if you are joining through an agency, right, or anybody send you a referral link that you just want to start live streaming, or you have an agent, the agent may receive commission or benefit from the platform for you being active, right? There is a system that is put in place for that, but that does not mean that your own earning is being reduced in any way. Your earnings are based on your activity. Your earnings are based on your consistency, the gift you receive, the tasks you perform, and your overall performance on the app. In simple terms, that means the platform already has a budget for referral system and agency structure. So whether you join alone or you join through an agency, the system still exists. Joining through an agency does not mean it in any way to reduce your income. So if you register completely on your own, that referral benefit simply stays with the platform instead of supporting an agent or supporting that your friend that give you link to sign up. So I want that to be very, very clear. If you join my agency, you are helping me and I'll gain commission. But if you do not join my agency or you do not join any agent, that 30% when you do exchange and everything is going directly to the platform. So why not help your fellow brother or sister? It's like you dashing bank money, right? You are not richer than the bank. So what is my advice for you, right? Please, if you are joining agency, look out for one or two things before joining any agency. Ask, do they really or actually train people? How do they communicate? Do they communicate properly? Are they active? Especially when you come to this communication, like me now, you can imagine the time I take to structure what I'm about to say in this video, the time I take to film this video, the time I take to edit this video, the time I take to upload this video and optimize the video and all that. It takes time. So imagine the people that are reaching out to me within the days I'm filming. That means definitely I cannot reply to them, and all those things are delicate. I try outsourcing it, but it's not working, so I do them myself, especially replying to DM. I cannot give another person access to my account. There are other things I outsource. So during those times, if you reach out to me, I will definitely not be active, because I see some people, they reach out, I chat you up, you chat me 2 a.m. and you expect me to reply you around 2 a.m. It doesn't, things doesn't work like that, okay? So you need to check before you join any agency, right? Do they explain things clearly? Like me now, one thing that I hone myself with is that my ability to take my time. Even though people that are fast learners, sometimes they say talk fast now, this and that, but I know my target audience, and that's why I take my time to explain like ABC to people on this channel, right? So you need to check either they support beginners and all that. But if you are watching my videos, you subscribe to this channel, you turn on notification, and you like this video and my other videos, you're definitely going to learn a lot about this platform. And please, if at this point you have not liked my video, please like, drop a beautiful comment. Even if you don't have any question, tell me I'm beautiful, right? So, and then at the end of the day, right, whether you register directly or through any agency, consistency matters the most. I don't even know how to shout that. But if you want guidance, you need training, you need support, you want to join my official Telegram channel or my Telegram group, or DM me on WhatsApp, check the comment section. And please be careful of scammers. I will never DM you. I'm not selling coins. So anyone that is DMing you using my profile picture is not me, it's never me, it can never be me. Don't allow anybody to scam you in this time, please, I beg of you. So like this video, like this question now, I just pick one of the person that asked and I decided to explain this way. So if you have question, please ask in the comment section, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.